Hello friends, today, we're going to draw and color SpongeBob SquarePants and his best friend Patrick Star. Let's begin by drawing the shape of SpongeBob's face. Next, his cheeks. His eyes with lashes. And lips. Let's draw holes on his face. Next, his necktie. Let's draw SpongeBob's pants. And his legs and hand. Next, let's draw Patrick Star's eyes. And the shape of his head. Next, his lip and cheeks. Let's draw his hands. His pants. And legs. I'm excited! It's time to add color to SpongeBob and Patrick. SpongeBob lives in a pineapple under the sea together with his pet snail, Gary. SpongeBob works at the Krusty Krab and his job title is Fry Cook. Did you know that he can never pass his driving test no matter how many times he tries? And that's the spirit, he never gives up. While Patrick lives under a rock in the underwater city of Bikini Bottom next door to Squidward Tentacles Moai. Did you know that Patrick's most significant character traits are his laziness and low intelligence, although he occasionally shows that he is smarter than he seems? Do you agree? SpongeBob and Patrick enjoy going jelly fishing and blowing bubbles. like SpongeBob and Patrick? That's good to hear. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Until next time.